Christiane is in South Africa and there is electricity switched on and off at the moment. So that's maybe the reason why she cannot be here. And I will now present the course we prepared together. We called our internal name is the Jumping Legs course. And what's behind it is that when Rudolf Steiner gave the Eurythmy therapy course, he started for 1-2 lectures to introduce general movements and the vowel movements. And then when he started to bring the consonants, he suddenly said, and now make a jump. Yeah? Or now do this with your leg. In addition, with your arm movement. And I can just show you briefly what this could look like. That, for example, when you do the ha in eurythmy, it's just that you just have your arms in front of your body and you just, wow, you enjoy spreading them out. It's letting go. Just breathe out, enjoy, and let the backpack just sink down to earth and you feel good. And then he said, but when you want to do this to help your stomach, then combine it with a jump. Yeah. And now if you want to help your stomach and you can't get rid of what's in it, yeah, it's just stuck, and you jump, it doesn't feel good. So the art will be that you jump as soft as possible. Yeah, you are just there and then nearly, and it's just letting go. Yeah. So, and the ha, you don't throw up because you want to get things down out of your stomach. So you can use your arms to create a stream of relaxation flowing to your body. Yeah. But why do this combined with a jump? Because a jump normally creates tension. Yeah. So when you do this, yeah, you still try to create this tension, a detention in a way. Yeah. Relaxation when you do this. And you will notice this feels extremely good when you manage to do it. And behind this is that in eurythmy therapy, you invite the lower system, yeah, the metabolic system, to take part in your getting things moving. So by doing it with the legs, things with the legs, you try to bring the basic principle of your arms, invite it to sink into your lower system. And you do not do only these jumps, you do very different things with the legs, you will see. And the specific of our course now is that that's what we discovered in Switzerland, in the mountains, that when you do the Zodiac gestures into the R, the H, yeah, there belongs the Gemini gesture. And you will see that it's not just a position, but it's really, you collect certain energies which draw the left and right in, and this brings your heels out, yeah. And you feel strong within. That's the Gemini, and the heart belongs to this. And when you now do this Gemini gesture, and then experience someone else doing the heart, you suddenly touch a dimension. What do they have not in common, but there's a relation. And just to feel this relation, in addition to what you just do with the jumps, creates not only an experience from what you do in eurythmy therapy, but what's carrying, I would say, what's standing behind the world. Yeah, what makes these movements effective. And it is not difficult. You have seen what I've been doing. Yeah, the difficulty is to do it in a way that you feel well. And that's in a way the homework that you then work with 2, 3, 4 suggestions, try this out, and then you share in the groups. What did you discover? You bring it back to us. And that's how we will work. Yeah. supporting you in making discoveries, not becoming a therapist, but to learn more about what lives in you or in all of us.